I began to pass out. Then my head hit the wall. Boom!
This family makes me want to murder people.
Billy, what are you doing?
When someone says it's just a cat, but that cat is your entire world.
Yeah.
Child. Anyway, so
no. Oh, you're getting it on the bed.
What he loafing for? Wait. This is how he fights back.
So we found out that Dizzy has a laundry fetish. The dirtier, the better. She loves it. Oh, she said somebody's coming. They're gonna know.
leave me alone. Stop, Tigger! No! No! No, sir! No, sir! Stop! Don't you stop it! Stop it right now. Don't even think about it. I am so... Bro! Stop it! Stop it! No! God!
Oh, just a normal leg rest. Oh.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet.
I've got nothing to update about Biddy, but she's just so darn cute. Look at that face. Look at her. She's so cute.
Mary, are you trash? Why are you in the trash can?
This is a loaf of floof bread. It is made out of floof and evil.
Would you come? Bob? Bob, is Johnny in the bag? Bob? Bob, is Johnny in the bag? He's got Johnny in the bag. He's got Johnny.